Hey guys, this is Mike. Today I have JBL Pulse 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. Looks so nice. I like the white color. It comes in two colors, white and black. So I chose the white color. So nice. Look, dare to listen. Nice packing. Wow, look the lights. So nice. So beautiful. So beautiful. Look, it looks so beautiful. So beautiful. So you know so this is 360-degree light show and sound Bluetooth speaker, IP7 waterproof, 12 hours of playtime. That's nice. Party boost. Wow, you guys can connect 100 plus party boost enabled Bluetooth speakers. So battery charge time is 3.5 hours. So if you download the JBLconnect app, so you guys can for speaker configuration, software upgrade, everything. Okay, let's open the box. Let's see. Oh, so nice. So nice. So nice. Wow, so nice. So nice. Wow, that's a speaker. That's a JBL Pulse 4. Nice. So nice. Wow, look at this, man. Look at this. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. And what I have else in the back. So this is, I think inside is a type C cable and some quick start guide, warranty guard, safety sheet. Where is the type C cable? Is right here. Okay. Let me put it over there. Okay. So this is volume plus, minus, play, pause, JBL logo. It's a speaker. Glass. Wow, glass finishing. It looks so unique. Wow, look. So this is power on off button, Bluetooth button. Okay, charging connection, type C. And this is indicator for your battery, like how much battery you left in your Bluetooth speaker. So this is light show button. It changed the colors. And this is party boost. You guys can connect 100 plus party boost enabled JBL speakers, Bluetooth speakers. Wow, it looks like, what the finishing, it looks like apple brand Bluetooth speaker. So nice. So nice. So beautiful. Wow, so good. I like it so much. So much. It looks so beautiful. Okay, let's turn on the speaker and listen the music, man. Listen the music. Power button. Woo, really so nice. Oh, the Bluetooth button, I already connected my phone. Okay. Wow, so good, so beautiful. Looks so beautiful. Wow. Wow, so good. So good, man. So good. The finishing, the plastic, this thing, this glass is so good. What a technology. What a technology. I can't believe it, man. And what is here? Okay. For bass. For bass. So the output is 20 RMS. That's good. That's good. JBL speaker. Pulse 4, the latest one. The latest one. So let's listen the music. Okay. Let's check the performance of this JBL Pulse 4 Bluetooth speaker. I mean to say JBL Pulse 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. Okay. Let's listen the music.
Hey, I'm kind of glad you didn't pick up. I kind of just called to hear your voice. I miss you. I've been thinking about you, and I've been thinking about our love and how much I miss you. I miss being around you, hearing your laugh and holding your hand. I think of you every day. I hope and I wish that you're doing okay. I want to go back to the old days because I miss you and I just thought of you.
Wow. Wow. What a 360-degree light show and sound. Wow. I can't say. I can't explain. You need to buy this JBL Pulse 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. Wow. So nice. So beautiful. So there is a button you see in the video. Whenever I press it, the light changes. Look. Wow. Look. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's so nice. So nice. And when you download the JBL Connect app, so there are more options for the light. There are more options. You can choose hundreds of lights, like, hundreds. So this is must-have speaker, JBL Pulse 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. I like it. IPX7 waterproof, 12 hours of playtime, Partyboost, battery charge time at 3.5 hours. So nice speaker. The best thing is 360-degree light show and sound. Wow, looks so beautiful. Look, what a finishing. Look, what a glass. Wow, so nice. So nice. So beautiful. So beautiful. It's a party Bluetooth speaker. You can say it's a party Bluetooth speaker. Wow, so nice. JBL Pulse 4 Bluetooth speaker. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.